Hi guys, here I am with Mushka. It's Lisa. How are you? Here you go, mommy. Say hi. We have a little box that we got today. She just went for a walk, so she's tired. So let's put you down and let's do this. I have a little video. Okay, so I have some boxes that I have. Oh my goodness, I'm terrible today. That from Cratejoy. Because I'm a writer and I love stationery and journals and paper and stuff like that. My hair's up, sorry. I love to I don't know where to look, order little things. So I found this one. I'm gonna check it out. It's called Papergang. Papergang. And I found it on Cratejoy. It is for by Oh Dear. By Oh Dear. It is for people that like stationery and cute stuff, and I do. And it's small, but oh, there's a pull tab here, so I'm gonna pull it. But I'm excited to see what's in it. Oh. I don't know if it's for kids. I think they have the option for kids. I hope that this one is not for kids. But anyway, if it is, my niece will get it. Okay, so let's see. So this is what it looks like inside. We think up fun ideas for a new Papergang box. How Papergang works. You get a box full of stationery just like this one. Oh yay, right up my alley. An illustrator creates the designs for it, and their creations are brought to life in stationery form. For every box we sell, for every 4 boxes we sell, we plant 1 tree. Okay, I like that. I didn't know that. I wish I had done it for that reason, but now I feel even better for ordering this. Do you like free stuff? Refer to friends and you can get a free Papergang box. Find out more at papergang.com. Refer a friend. Tree aid. Look how nice. See? So this is in the box, just like that. So let's see what goodies we have in here. Papergang. Hi, I'm Drew. I don't know if I can read with these glasses. The words are in white. Okay. I'm going to go up close. Okay. I'm the leader of the Papergang. I'm on an iron-on patch to make your membership official. What? An iron-on patch? Oh, jeez. It's an iron-on patch. I thought it was paper. Okay, yeah, I really need to get my eyes checked for sure. Anyway, so oh my God, it's pencils. Oh my God, I love you. I love it already. Okay, iron-on patch. Let's start with that. Okay. It took a long time to get this because of this this COVID crap that we're going through. It's affecting everything. I mean, whatever. Let it take its time, right? And after all of the boxes that I open, you need to know that I wash my hands. You gotta be careful. So this is all the stuff that's in it. So let's see what this is. Okay. I didn't open it yet, but this is what it looks like. Little bird. I actually have a painting of a picture like this with a little bird. It's blue though. This looks like a cardinal. I don't know. But anyway, what is this? So I'm gonna open it. So let's see. Oh, it opens like this. Okay. Oh, it's a box. Look, guys. Oh, is it? Okay. I think so. It has to be. So this goes in here. Oh my God, somebody help. All right. I'm guessing that it goes like this. It's definitely a square, but that doesn't seem to fit in there. What is this? Is there a note to tell me what it is? Oh my gosh, I want to use it, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, it appears to be a box. I will figure it out. So I'm sure this goes in here and it expands. We'll get to that. Actually, I will get to that. And then there is a, hey Papergang, here's a very special edition to celebrate our 50th box. I didn't even know that. Look how cute this is. It's a pin. Look at that. I used to collect pins, but I just, I would stick it in my office on the board. I would just stick all the pins there, but I don't know. I have a few of them now. So that's the clip in the back, and that's on the cute little pen. It looks like a burger, but I'm excited. That's really cute. I will keep that with the patch. Then we have, oh yeah, there is a booklet. I'm gonna see what this box is. I'm gonna see what that is. Let's check that out. A cute little pamphlet, just like in any box. It tells you what's in here. Oh, actually, it talks about the people and the creators of the box. I don't know if it'll tell me what that is. All right. Anyway, I'm sure. Oh, a pen pot. That's what it is. So yeah, it's a box. And then you have the divider. It's like a puzzle. I have to play around with it, see? So you put it in the box. And then you're going to be able to, I don't know why it's so hard for me. Did they make it too big? It has to work. I am determined. I think I have it upside down. Anyway, I'll do it later. I don't have time for this. But I like it. Then we have some cards, it looks like. Look at this. How pretty. I actually love the paintings, the drawings, the illustrations. Comes with an envelope, little cards, and they're blank. They don't, they're for whatever you want them to be for, because they are actually blank and there's nothing in front. This one says, hey you, but kind of be useful at this time, wouldn't it? Hey you, what are you doing in the quarantine? I'm old school. I love paper pals. Paper pal? PayPaling. I always send out cards. Actually, I still do. Oh, I have a third one. And it's the one with the little cardinal. With the envelope. 3 cards with envelopes. That's so nice. And I have a card, the calendar. That's really cute. I am a calendar hoarder, hound. I have like a million calendars. I don't know why. I need to have it like right in front of me. And it came with this. All right, so it's not exactly stationary as in pads and pens, but it does have stationary things in it, like the pencil box and the cards, little gifts, and then it has a book. So let's see what this is. Make your mark. You know what? This is right up my alley. Got another little journal. This one does say notes, doodles, subject, date, today's tasks, timetables, but use it for whatever you want. It has little illustrations in it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right. Yay, another book. Like, I don't have enough. I want more. I collect these and I will use it. This is really adorable and it's really soft. It's like not exactly paperback, but it's also not solid either. Like not really hard, but it has like feels like a material, material. Anyway, that's it. So I got my pen, my little journal book, my patch, thought it was a picture, my little patch with pencils. I could put that on a bag or a jacket, but I'll put it on a bag. I got a little calendar thingy, little pamphlet that I'll be reading later, a pencil box, and some cards. This is really cute. I really like this, and I love the illustrations, the art of it. I love it. So anyway, thanks for watching another little book. Papergang. Really cool. If you love receiving little things like that you know you will use, I know I will use every single thing in here. This is, look, and it's just in one little pile. Yeah, this works for me. It's a monthly subscription. You don't have to get it every month, but you can. So anyway, thanks for watching Papergang. Crate Joy from Crate Joy.